Hello beautiful people, so for today's video we are here at Baslike Coffee Shop.
Yes, we are here at Baslike Coffee Shop.
So as you can see, that's the view of Darwin or some places of Chateau and whatever, and then here we go. So this is the place, and this you can park your car here. It's raining. Pwede asa mag-order og bukuan? Dito ra? Let's go. Bukaan ka ba?
Ay, di, ito pa taas.
Kay?
Ano ba? Dinan ka pa picture ta.